This OMEO Portable Induction Cooktop is a versatile and powerful cooking appliance designed to meet the needs of modern kitchens, RVs, dorm rooms, and even outdoor cooking. With its 1800 watts of power, advanced features, and sleek design, this induction burner offers a compelling alternative to traditional stovetops. In this detailed review, we will explore the key features, performance, and overall value of the OMEO Portable Induction Cooktop. One of the standout features of the OMEO Portable Induction Cooktop is its ability to heat the bottom of the pot directly, minimizing heat loss and maximizing efficiency. This direct heating method ensures that your cookware heats up quickly and evenly, making it ideal for various cooking techniques such as boiling, steaming, frying, and sautéing. Compared to traditional induction stoves, the OMEO cooktop offers faster cooking times and greater energy efficiency, which can lead to significant savings on your energy bills. The OMEO Induction Cooktop is packed with advanced features designed to make your cooking experience more convenient and enjoyable. The digital LCD and touch sensor controls provide a modern and user-friendly interface, allowing you to easily adjust settings and monitor the cooking process. The cooktop includes a fast boil button for quickly bringing water to a boil, as well as a keep warm button to maintain your food at the perfect serving temperature. One of the key safety features is the child safety lock, which prevents accidental changes to the cooking and timer settings once they have been set. This is particularly useful in households with young children, as it helps to avoid any unintentional adjustments that could disrupt the cooking process or pose a safety risk. The OMEO Portable Induction Cooktop offers a high level of control with its 10 temperature levels and 10 power settings. You can easily select your desired temperature, ranging from 120 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit, to suit different cooking methods and recipes. Whether you need a gentle simmer for delicate sauces or high heat for searing and frying, this cooktop has you covered. Additionally, the power output can be adjusted from 180 watts to 1800 watts, giving you the flexibility to match the cooktop's performance to your cooking needs. The LCD control panel is designed with an optimal viewing angle, ensuring that you can read the settings even from a distance. The blue screen adds a touch of luxury to your kitchen, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of the appliance. To use the OMEO Induction Cooktop, you will need cookware with a magnetic base. The cooktop's auto pan detection feature automatically switches off the unit when it detects the absence of compatible cookware, or if the cookware is removed from the surface. This ensures safety and prevents energy waste. The cooktop is suitable for use with induction cookware measuring up to 10 inches in diameter, providing a spacious and evenly heated cooking surface for a variety of pots and pans. The OMEO Portable Induction Cooktop is crafted for durability and longevity. Its robust construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of daily use, while the sleek design adds a modern touch to any kitchen. The compact and lightweight form factor makes it easy to move and store, making it an excellent choice for small kitchens, RVs, dorm rooms, and outdoor cooking setups. Whether you need an extra burner for entertaining guests or a portable cooking solution for your travels, the OMEO Cooktop delivers both performance and convenience. Users of the OMEO Portable Induction Cooktop have praised its fast heating capabilities, ease of use, and versatile cooking options. The touch sensor controls are intuitive and responsive, making it simple to adjust settings on the fly. The fast boil feature is particularly popular, as it significantly reduces the time needed to bring water to a boil, which is a common task in many recipes. The keep warm function is another favorite among users, as it allows them to maintain their food at the perfect temperature without overcooking or drying out. This is especially useful for meals that need to be served hot, but may not be consumed immediately after cooking. Safety is a top priority with the OMEO Cooktop, and the child safety lock provides peace of mind for families with young children. The auto pan detection and safety shutoff features further enhance the safety and efficiency of this induction burner, making it a reliable choice for any kitchen. In conclusion, the OMEO Portable Induction Cooktop is a high-quality, versatile, and efficient cooking appliance that offers a range of advanced features to enhance your cooking experience. Its precise temperature and power settings, coupled with the convenience of touch sensor controls and safety features, make it an excellent addition to any kitchen. The durable and portable design ensures that you can enjoy the benefits of induction cooking wherever you go. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a casual cook, the OMEO Portable Induction Cooktop is sure to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.